Good morning. I am Loken Singh Rajput of class 9th B. Today I am going to discuss question number 12 of exercise 8.1 chapter 8 quadrilateral. As we can see that this is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD and AD is equal to BC, and we have to show that angle A is equal to angle B, angle C is equal to angle D, triangle ABC is equal to triangle BAD, and diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD. By construction, extend AB to point E. Extend AB to point E. Then join point C to point E, which is parallel to AD. Second, join diagonals AC and BD. This is BD. Now we can say that AECD is a parallelogram. Now let's solve the first part of this question, that is angle A is equal to angle B. First, AD is equal to BC, which is given. This is equation 1. AD is equal to CE, which is by construction. This is equation 2. Now by equation 1 and 2, BC is equal to CE, BC is equal to CE, angle E is equal to angle F. Since angle opposite to two equal sides are equal, angle A plus angle E is equal to 180 degree co-interior angles. This is equation 3. Angle B plus angle F is equal to 180 degree linear pair of angles. Angle B plus angle E is equal to 180 degree. This is equation 4. By equation 3 and 4, angle A plus angle E is equal to angle B plus angle E. To angle A is equal to angle B. Hence proved. Now the second part is angle C is equal to angle D. Angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree, which is co-interior angle. It is equation 1. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, which is co-interior angle. It is equation number 2. By equation 1 and 2, angle A plus angle D is equal to angle B plus angle C. Angle A plus angle D is equal to angle A plus angle C. Since angle A is equal to angle B, which is proved above, so angle D is equal to angle C, hence proved. Now the third part is triangle ABC is equal to triangle BAD. In triangle ABC and triangle BAD, AB is equal to BA, which is common. Angle A is equal to angle B, which is proved above. AD is equal to BC, which is given. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD by corresponding part of corresponding triangles. Now the fourth part is diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD is at triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is equal to triangle BAD, which is proved above. AC is equal to BD by corresponding part of corresponding triangles. Therefore, the diagonal AC and BD are equal.